Hey everybody, this is Mark with AppIcon, and today we are going to be showing you how to add an app icon to your app in Xcode. Now keep in mind that this is for Mac apps only. If you are making an iOS app, this will not work. So the way you add an icon is very easy. In fact, it seems too easy, and it is. Now there's a folder in Xcode called Images, and there's one conveniently named AppIcon. Now, if we throw in an app icon right there and we run it, it will show up in the dock looking all fancy and pretty. And that's fine if you want to submit it outside of the Mac App Store, but for this lesson, we are going to be doing App Store submission. So, Apple does not let you do that. They do not like you doing that at all. You have to have a certain number of images at certain sizes and a certain ending. Now, they have to be an icns file, but if you drag and drop an icns right here, as you can see, it does not like those. So we're going to have to work around that. But this is really for testing your icon, but if you're going to submit it to the Mac App Store, you need to do something different, which we'll take a look at in this video. So the easiest and simplest way to actually create your icon is to use an app called icns Builder on the Mac App Store for absolutely free. Then you want to go ahead and take your icon. You want to learn what size it is. You probably really want a 1024 by 1024 or 200, 500 or 512 by 512. But I don't have that. Mine's 256. So then I just drag it there. So you just drag the one that is actually the size, and automatically create some for you. Keep in mind anything above that will get a little bit blurry though. So then you just want to click save, and then it'll be all good to go. So as you can see, it put it right on my desktop, and as you can see, it's also bigger than the original, so it does get blurry. That is the original right there. But the more you go down, you can see they've made 10 icons for us. Super easy. No terminal commands or coding needed to do this. So it's pretty easy. But this is probably the hardest part, which is still fairly easy. You want to go into Xcode, expand the supporting files folder, and then go ahead and drag in your icon and then copy the files. Now, right below that, there's going to be an info.plist. You don't want the info.plist.strings, you want the .plist one. And then we just want to go ahead and press that plus button right there. And then we're just going to search for icon file right there. And then in the value, you're just going to type in the name. So mine's icons.icns. Pretty easy. And then if we save the file and run the app, as you can see in the dock right here, I have my icns file right there. So it's fairly simple and easy. It looks exactly the same as if you threw it in the app icon under your images.xcode assets, but this one will allow you to submit it to the Mac App Store. But that is going to do me for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. If you are interested in learning more about coding, be sure to hit that subscribe button, as we'll have much more coverage coming your way very soon. But that is going to do me for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, this is Mark with AppIcon, and have a great day.